Hello, my name is Chris McIntyre and I am a Customer Success Manager here at foreUP. When it comes to your course, any marketing is better than no marketing. However, if you're going to put in the effort, you might as well take advantage of some of the simple tools that we have within the foreUP software to make your campaigns that much more successful. One of those steps is to send the right message to the right customers within your database, such as trying to target maybe some of your seniors for a local tournament that you're hosting. foreUP gives you all the tools in order to accomplish just that. We can utilize the customers module in order to find those customers. Within the advanced search feature, we can then add those customers to a newly created group and then send out an email campaign directed directly at those customers. So let's go ahead and get started and show you how this works within the foreUP software. The first step in the process is to go ahead and create your customer group. To create the group, we will navigate to the customers page. On the customers page, we will select from the groups dropdown and click on Manage Groups. Here is where we can add the name of the new group we want to target. For this one, it's going to be Local Seniors, so we will call the group Local Seniors. Once the group is added, we will add the group and click Save Changes. Once the changes have been saved, we will go ahead and start using the advanced search filters in order to find those specific local seniors within the customer database. We will first click on the Actions button, click on Advanced Search, and we will then click on this dropdown to bring up the list of different criteria that we can search by. For this one, we are first going to add a criteria based upon birth year. We will select before, and the year we will use is 1960. Once we've selected one criteria, we can actually layer more criteria on top of that within our advanced search. The second criteria we will search for here is going to be a local zip code. We will click the plus button, select zip code from the dropdown, and equals the zip code we wish to search by. Once we've added all of our criteria to our advanced search, the software will then work its magic and pull up those customers that meet the criteria we are searching for. We will now be able to add all of those customers to the newly created customer group we've added. We will first click on the checkbox here at the top, select all customers on the page, click on the bulk edit button down here in the bottom right, and under the information section, we will select customer groups. We will add to their existing groups, and the group we are going to add them to is going to be the local seniors group that we've newly created. We will then click on the confirm button here in the bottom right. The software will let us know what we're doing. Once we've confirmed that's what we want to do, we'll click Start Edit, and the software will then work its magic to be able to add those customers to the newly created group. In this example, we only used one zip code, so if there were more customers you wanted to add from different local zip codes, all you would need to do is enter that new zip code, click the search button, and repeat the bulk edit feature to be able to add those new customers to your local seniors group or whatever group you may be working with. Now that we've created our new local seniors group, we will now go over to the marketing module and show you how to add that group to a new marketing campaign. We will navigate to the marketing page, and we will either create a new template from scratch, or we will go ahead and choose from one of the custom templates that are already made for us. We'll go ahead and choose one of our default templates. Once we've edited the material to fit our needs, we'll go ahead and click Recipients. On the Recipients page, we will select from the group dropdown, and we will then choose the local seniors group that we just created and click Add Selected Group. That will then add that group to the email campaign for you. Once that group has been added, we can then send the email out to the customers. You've now sent a marketing campaign to a specific section of your customer database, and you also at the same time have not sent needless information to customers that it's not applicable to. I encourage you to create as many groups as you can and make them as highly targeted as possible. That way your email campaigns will be the most successful that they can be. We encourage you to check out our many other marketing tools that are available to you within the foreUP software. If you have any questions, please contact your account manager who will be able to further assist you. We also have the foreUP marketing services available to you, where a dedicated foreUP marketing team will handle marketing emails such as the one we've shown you today. Thank you so much for watching.